Here is what I want you guys to do today. This is important for your grade at the end of the quarter, which is on Friday. And um, once you finish this, then you can type quietly and listen to music if you would like, or read a book. So I'm going to go to the programming page. And you should already have this section. So this is your Scratch project with your description, the link to your animation, and then I click the green flag to start and the red stop sign to stop down here underneath. Before it was over here, but it made more sense to just make it a caption. The animation, I just used a text box and put it down there. So this time I'm going to divide. So we talked about this yesterday. I wanted you to put in a project from another student, and I just want you to make sure that you have this. So if we embed code and put a title on top of that, and text to the right with a button. So that's the structure. I already have that. I think I asked you to call this favorite project, let's say by so if I go here and I'm just going to go, I know that's a student from last year. He's got some weird stuff in here. The massive news. And so let's say I really like this project. I click the star. And cool, dude. Did. And then I'm going to embed the iframe. And C. That goes in here. And then, what is this? The Massive News by B. Felix C1. And then you would have a description here. So right, so if I were you, I'd obviously, if it's your favorite project, you must have, if it's a game, you played it, or if it's an animation, you watched it, briefly describe it, give that person credit, and put that description there, and then you're going to add the button text. So, because this could be a game, you're not going to say a link to animation, it could just be link to project. You could put game or animation depending on what it is. This was an animation, so I could have put animation, but if it's a game, I'd say link to game. And then I need that, and that goes here. So that's a link to a URL. And then if you have this, you should make one more, because I'm curious now to find out what your favorite overall on Scratch is. So then we just create the same structure, embed code, title on top of that, text, and button. Explore all Ninja Blitz. Don't know what this is, but I'll give it a star. And I'm going to embed this. So let's say this is my favorite thing. And Ninja Blitz by who's this by? Waterfall. And then a description of the game. It's reviews there. And that's kind of a description. Button text, link, and we want that. All right, we know this is a game, so we could say link to game. So once I have all this, I click publish. So if you need to see this website, it's gtt1.weebly.com. Go there, go to programming. And you see it all there. Okay. If you have time within the period, I would probably change this background. I'd probably add programming here, and then on your home page, I won't do this, but I'm sure you can figure it out. You could try to add a third little window here with a link that goes to your programming page. Okay. Also, just make sure that all this stuff works, right? That goes to the CCC animation, that goes to the Massive News, that goes to Ninja Blitz, okay? And that is what I want you to do for today.